So I want to do this little do-it-yourself video. I'm not a plumber by any means. So what I found is on my knobs, when I would turn it, it was catching. And as you can see here, these are the old knobs. All that white stuff is lime scale, is build-up of calcium, minerals, and magnesium. And it gets to the point where, I mean, this was trash. I've been wanting to replace this anyway. How bad that is. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Don't pay attention to all this. I'm redoing this whole thing, cleaning this out. So to get rid of that lime scale buildup, what I did is I placed these bags right here full of vinegar and let it soak for about like a few hours. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off and install my new knobs. It's very simple, very easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Just take a little wire brush to it. Excess here. All these knobs. To take these things, screw them on here, just like that. Now that these are on, we're going to take these guys and easily screw them on here. So it's completely flush. Do all three of them. So in this particular model, you'll see here's the cold little cap right there. Here's the screw inside. What you'll just do is pop this little top off right here. Just get it into the grooves right there. Pop it off. That'll work. Here, I already did it with the hot water. So what I'm gonna do, H for hot. And do a screw. I put something over my bathtub stopper because, I mean, I'm recalking anyway, but I didn't want this little guy to accidentally fall. So what we're gonna do, set this guy right on in there. Put the screw in like so. I'm gonna take my screwdriver and screw this bad boy in. So it's screwed in tight. Take this, pop it right in there, just as so. Now we got a new brand new knob. Looks so much better than the garbage that was on here. Okay, I'm gonna do the other two.
Are you sending it to me?
I'm sending you a picture.